I'm a paranoid person, okay? I'm worried. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dixie Noel and I'm gonna be doing some makeups for you today. In today's video, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna have fun. I know it's not on Tuesday, but whatever, I can upload whenever I want. It's my channel, not yours, thank you. And I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do something really clickbaity, gonna see, you know, try to make a fool of myself and get some laughs and see how it goes. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing the, I don't even know what you call it, I guess the no mirror challenge. I'm going to be doing my makeup without a mirror, seeing how I work out. Will I do good? Who knows? Let's get a one last good look before we, it's okay, we're about to transform and feel wonderful. Okay, so I'm gonna place this face down over there. There are no mirrors around. There's a dog there and a dog there. I'll look at them if I need a mirror. I don't know. Okay, so every mirror has been covered up. I have no monitors. I'm not that fancy. And I guess we just go in with foundation first. Gonna take a damp beauty sponge and I'm not gonna be able to see if I'm patchy or not. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my time. I'm gonna start in one area and work my way out. See how I do like that. Okay, so I'm doing this area. I can't tell if I'm putting on too much or, oh my goodness. If I'm looking off into the distance, I'm just blank staring. I promise you I'm not staring at any mirrors. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more and work on another area. I guess I'll start going on in here. My goal is to go section by section with my foundation to see if, my goal is to go section by section and just kind of remember where I went and kind of let muscle memory take over. And I'm really funny about my under eyes too. I have no idea how my under eyes are gonna look. Okay, don't forget your chin. Don't forget your chin and ears. I got my ears covered. I'm not gonna worry about those. Okay, getting more foundation because I ran out. I don't usually use this much foundation, so we'll see. I'm just gonna go get a little bit and go around my chin. Hopefully we're blending it together. Elvis, are we blending it together, honey? Are we blending? Is it looking good? Does mommy look snatched? Does mommy look snatched? He don't care about me. He just wants a treat. Yeah, your ears perked up at that word, huh? I have no idea how this is gonna look. Going over everything once more, hoping everything is nice and blended. Ah! Okay. Next. Where's my concealer? Okay, I usually put a little bit here. Tip of my nose, bridge of my nose. A little bit here. And a little bit on my chin. How's it looking? Okay, I'm gonna blend that out. Try to. There's some people outside walking, looking at me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sweet people. Can y'all hear that? Here's some ASMR for you. And that's why they call it beating the mug. Next, I'm going to be putting pressed powder over my face. Now, these Fit Me loose powder things, they have mirrors in them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to very carefully open it. Do it like that. Now, I guess technically you have no way of knowing. You just have to take my word for it, but I'm not cheating, I swear. Okay. Just gonna pounce. How we looking? We okay? Are we cakey? We're gonna be a little cakey because of all the creases, but next, taking my bigger brush and patting that all over. Setting whatever kind of foundation job we did in place for hours. Okay. Next, I'm going in with some blush, some Morphe blush, and this doesn't have a mirror, so I'm not stressed about it. I'm a little scared. I usually overdo it with blush. I got a little bit on the brush. Just gonna kind of go this way. Okay, I did 10 swipes. Let's see if we can't do the same thing to the other side. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10 swipes done. Do we want to go on the forehead? Screw it, it's a challenge. I'm gonna get all up in here. Because why not? Okay, now since I know me and I know I overdo it with blush all the time, I'm going to go back in with the pressed powder. Okay. I'm going to go through and kind of dull things out because I know me. Okay, next. Woo! Okay, how do we do? We looking good? I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna prime my lids for some eyeshadow. And I'm really funny about the placement of my eye primer, so I have no idea what's gonna happen here. Okay, I'm just gonna hope for the best. We got this, we can do this. I just really hope I didn't overdo it with the blush. I'm really worried. I mean, I'll work it, but still. Ooh, I need to take me a sip of water. Got my anxiety up. Everything tastes better out of a Batman cup. It's just science. Okay, now that we have everything patted on, I'm gonna set this in front of me. Do I use my Morphe palette? What palette do I use? Ooh, I could use these Sally Girl eyeshadows I've been hoarding for like 10 years. They are so expired, girl. But I don't have the heart to throw them away. This is nostalgia right here. You see this? Look at that. That's Sally Girl eyeshadow. Okay, let's be real. I'm stalling here. I guess I'll use my Morphe palette. This is the Morphe Boss Mood palette. Shabam. Oh. I mean, it's my eyes, right? I can do my eyes. I'm gonna practice on a clean brush real quick. So, there's my socket. Okay, I'm going in with this shade right here. And that little plastic that came with it, with the little names on it, I threw that away a long time ago. I'm sorry, I don't know the shade names. Anyways, we're gonna pack that onto the brush, tap away the excess, and just take our time, and I'm just gonna attempt to put that in my crease. Hopefully stopping a little past my pupil. This is really... Do I have fallout? I don't even think... Do I have fallout? I can't even tell if I have fallout. Okay, I'm attempting to softly buff out the edges. Buffing it out of my crease, making it... Trying to blow it out this way. I will be honest, I'm doing a makeup look I am very comfortable doing. Trying to make it work. I don't know if we have fallout or not, but... I don't want to take any chances. Just gonna go ahead... preemptively whisk, I guess. I don't know. I'm a paranoid person, okay? I'm worried. And I'm just holding the palette out like this. I'm being weird with it, okay? Don't come for me. And I'm going in with the second layer because I know me and I like to re-intensify the color after I blend it out. So wish me luck. Doing little circles. Okay. Attempting to do my left eye now, which is my bad eye. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. Ooh, I'm scared. Okay. Ooh, I'm a little scared. Okay. How we doing? How we doing? We doing good? I have no idea what's going on now. This is a lot harder than I thought it'd be. Like, I have no idea what's going on right now. Okay, gonna hopefully whisk away any fallout. Going to pack a little bit into my outer crease right here to hopefully re-intensify the color. Doing what I hopefully think I usually do. Whatever that means. Okay, I'm gonna take a clean blending brush now and I'm gonna try to buff away the edges because that's just something I would normally do. And I'm trying to give this look its best chance, so I'm going for a real buffed out blowout. Okay, now what color do I want to do now? Let's go in with this shade right here, this beautiful metallic shade right here. It's like a raspberry metallic. I'm gonna attempt to go from my inner corner to my middle. I'm just gonna slap it on and hope for the best. I have no idea what's going on. Oh, I hope this is coming out good. Okay, you know what? What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna load it up onto my finger. I feel like without the mirror, I would have more control like this. Doing the other side now. That looks really pretty on my fingers though. I don't know if it's gonna look good on my eyes though. We'll see. Next, I'm gonna take a little shader brush. I'm gonna go in right here. And I'm just gonna kind of work that under my brow bone real quick and kind of blend down. Hopefully it's blending into something. I'm just doing what feels natural. This is actually really nerve-wracking. Like, my anxiety is through the roof. I don't want to look stupid. I mean, unless it'll get me views. Okay, so just to recap in my own mind, just for my own sanity, I went in my outer crease with this, and then I put this on the lid. I feel like I would want to deepen it a little bit. I think I'm going to go in with this cool tone right here. This is like a cool tone. It's mostly brown, but I think it's supposed to be like an olive green. No, you know what? That's silly. That's dumb. We're going to give this its best chance. Okay, I'm going to take like a flat shader brush kind of, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm just going to kind of put it into my, just directly into my crease just to kind of deepen it up. Hopefully it's working out the way it is in my mind. If it's not, it's over. So I'm just working this hopefully back and forth in my crease. I can't see. I feel like I'm going off-road a little bit though. Oh, I hope that works. Just gonna blend the edges out a little bit, I hope. I have no idea how this is turning out. Anyways, what I'm gonna attempt to do now is I'm gonna take that same brown and I'm gonna attempt to go on my lower lash line. And I'm going to try to connect it to what we've done just a little bit. Oh shoot, I forgot about fallout. What if there's probably fallout all over my face? Ah, okay. Oh, I feel myself ruining it. I'm ruining it, aren't I? Oh, I felt that. Well, when in doubt, blend it out. So, because I felt myself going off-road so much. Oh my gosh. Well, I think that did it for the eyeshadow portion. Moving on now to mascara and eyeliner. Okay, I got me some liquid eyeliner here. And I always put on a little liquid eyeliner, so there's no reason why I shouldn't be attempting this for this challenge. I'm going to attempt to go on my inner corner and work my way out. Oh, it's wet. It's cold. Okay, I feel myself brushing against my eyelashes, so maybe that's a good sign. Is it coming out okay? I'm really trying my best, I promise. Oh, I messed that up, didn't I? Let's be real, it's probably already messed up from the start. Let that dry. Attempt to do the other side now. Okay. Okay, I feel like I slayed the left eye, which would be your right eye. Okay, mascara shouldn't be too hard, but I won't be able to see if it's clumping up or not, so I'm just gonna do what I normally do and focus on the outer lashes. Okay, next is time for pencil eyeliner. I know what you're thinking, that's a fat pencil. Yes, yes it is. But you know what? We're gonna try our best. Now, I'm an emo kid from back in the day, so I should be able to do this pretty good with mirror or no mirror. So, okay, I feel pretty good about that. I don't mean to flip you off, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it just feels more comfortable with this finger. I apologize. How'd I do? Okay, that completes it. That completes it. How do you think I did? I don't know yet. I'm about to reveal it to myself in just a moment, but let's take a moment to appreciate or depreciate what has conspired here today. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Before I reveal this to myself, I'm going to go in with some lipstick. Ooh, not that color. Okay, it's time to do lips now. And I'm just going to go in with a stick lipstick. So this is the final look. I have no idea how I've done. What do you think so far? Let me know in the comment section below. Did I fail? Did I pass? Did I succeed? I'm really nervous about a lot of things, but whatever. We're gonna have a big reveal to myself, I guess. I'm revealing to no one, but whatever. I reveal it to my dogs. Elvis! Elvis! Did mommy do good? Did mommy do good? Mommy did good. No? Oh, well, whatever. Little diva. Anyway, I have my pressed powder here. And underneath is a mirror. And I'm going to count down from 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to reveal it to myself. Alright. I just counted down, didn't I? Screw it. Oh, you know what? I didn't do too bad, did I? Look at that. Okay, this eye is definitely, obviously, a lot more loud and proud than this eye, but ooh, I slayed that. I slayed that, girl. Yes, I did. Look at that. Look at that. I love this eye right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, this eyeliner though. This eyeliner though. Oh my goodness. Did I even put any on this waterline? Okay, the lips I did okay. The foundation, the blush. Wait a minute. Did I get my neck okay? I did. I went a little heavy on the blush around here. Okay. There was no fallout. Oh, there's a little fallout right there. And I am a little bit more cake-faced under my eyes than I'd like to be. But other than that, Mama slayed this challenge. I would rate myself maybe, considering they're so far off of 0, but like besides that, just let's cover this eye. I'm gonna rate this eye. I would give myself, busted eyeliner and all, I don't know, I'd give myself a 5. I give myself a solid 5. High five for me, yes. Anyways, that does it for this little video. I hope you had fun. I hope you had fun. Anyways, that does it for this video. Anyways, that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun laughing at me. If you would like to see any more challenges, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy. I'll do anything for a view. Come on now. I'll do anything for a view. Come on, man. It would really help me out. I appreciate you even looking. Thank you. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next Tuesday.